Hello.
Did you see this thing?
What thing? The rope? Oh, the donkey.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bats don't sound like that. No. Pardon? You know, I think it sounds a little bit like Cusco. You know, I might be mistaken. No, I know what it sounds like. That annoying little thing that, like, that annoying donkey. You know what that sounds like? Your voice.
Oh.
No, just kidding.
Thank you. That makes me feel loved.
I know, that's why I said it. I thought it, then I said it. I'm sorry, Jess. You should be sorry too. For laughing at me.